Good afternoon, officer. I'd like to report an incident of harassment that's been happening recently.
Good afternoon. I'm here to help. Can you tell me exactly what happened?
Yes, I'm a student at Springfield High School. Over the past month, a group of students has been bullying me online and in person. They send threatening messages, post mean comments on social media, and sometimes follow me around the campus.
I'm very sorry to hear that. Do you have the names of the students involved?
Yes, their names are Jacob Miller, Sarah Lee, and Thomas Rivera.
Okay. Can you describe the nature of the harassment in person?
Sure, they often corner me near the cafeteria and locker area, call me names, and make fun of my appearance. Last week, one of them shoved me slightly in the hallway.
Were there any injuries from the physical contact?
No major injuries, just a bruise on my arm.
All right. And you mentioned online harassment. Can you explain?
Yes, they send threatening text messages and private messages on Instagram and Snapchat. They also post mean memes and comments about me publicly.
Do you have copies of these messages and posts?
Yes, I've saved screenshots of all messages and social media posts.
Excellent. That evidence is very important. Have you told anyone else at the school about this?
I informed my teacher and the school counselor last week, but the harassment continued.
I understand. Did the school take any action so far?
They warned the students verbally, but it didn't stop them.
All right. Filing a police report is the next step to ensure your safety and proper documentation. Can you provide the exact dates and times of these incidents?
Yes. The most recent incident was yesterday around 1:30 p.m. in the cafeteria hallway. Previous incidents occurred on March 5th, 10th, 14th, and 20th, mostly between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m.
Thank you. Do you know if any of the bullying happened outside of school or online at home?
Yes, the online harassment happens at all times, even at home. They send messages late at night, too.
That's important to note. Can you provide your contact information?
Sure. My name is Emily Carter. I live at 105 Oak Street, Springfield. My phone number is 555-765-4321. And my email is emily.carter@email.com.
Thank you. Were there any witnesses to the in-person harassment?
Yes, a few students saw the incidents, including my friend Jason Kim. I can provide his contact information.
That's very helpful. Witness statements strengthen the report. Do you feel safe at school right now?
Not really. I'm worried that the bullying might escalate if it isn't addressed.
Understood. We can coordinate with the school administration to ensure your safety. Do you want to request a safety plan while this is investigated?
Yes, please. I'd feel safer if I had some protection at school.
We can request the school to provide measures like escorting you between classes, changing locker locations, or adjusting your schedule to avoid contact with the bullies.
That would be very helpful. Should I block the students on social media too?
Yes, blocking them is a good step. Keep all evidence of messages even if you block them.
Okay. Should I change my passwords or email accounts?
Yes, ensure your accounts are secure and enable two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access.
I will do that. What happens after I file this report?
We'll document your statement, collect evidence, and interview witnesses. If necessary, we may speak with the students involved, their parents, and school officials. Will the students face consequences?
Depending on the severity, outcomes can include warnings, suspension, counseling, or in serious cases, legal action. Can I check the status of the complaint?
Yes, you'll be assigned a case number to track progress. We'll update you on any actions taken.
Should I inform my parents?
Absolutely. Your parents can support you, attend meetings, and assist in documenting incidents.
I have already told them, and they are very concerned.
Good. We encourage parental involvement. Did the bullying involve threats of physical harm or just verbal harassment?
Mostly verbal, but some messages included threats, like watch out after school.
That's serious. We'll treat it as a credible threat and take steps to ensure your safety.
Thank you. Should I keep logging incidents as they happen?
Yes, maintain a detailed log with date, time, location, and description. Include screenshots of online harassment.
Okay. Can I also report harassment if it happens outside school?
Yes, outside school harassment is also reportable, especially if it involves threats or stalking.
What if I'm afraid to come to school after reporting?
We can arrange temporary measures, including staying home or remote learning until safety is ensured.
I appreciate that. How long does it take for the school or police to respond?
We prioritize immediate threats and severe bullying. Other incidents are investigated within a few days, depending on evidence and availability of witnesses.
Should I report the online harassment to the platform too?
Yes, most platforms have reporting systems, and your screenshots can support your complaint.
Thank you, officer. I feel more secure knowing steps are being taken.
You're welcome, Emily. Reporting harassment early is important. Stay safe, keep evidence, and contact us if anything escalates.
I will. Thank you again.
You're welcome. We'll follow up soon and coordinate with the school.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.